This weekend, in the afternoon, I went to a restaurant in Magdalena del Mar with my family called Polleria San Martin. My parents ordered a grilled meat that includes pork, ribs, anticuchos, beef, sausage, and two sodas. I ordered chicken, potatoes, and a soda. My sister ordered a hot dog with fries. I liked this restaurant because the food was very good, the service was fast and friendly, and the atmosphere was amazing. The food was delicious, but also very expensive. At night, we went to a small restaurant. My whole family only ordered desserts. My dad and me ordered chocolate cake. My mom ordered mazamorra morada, and my sister ordered cheesecake. The food wasn't expensive, but it wasn't that good.